Okay, if you have the Hario set up like I do, then you probably already have some type of a grinder. This is a Burr grinder made by Hario, and I couldn't afford the electric one, so this one's a lot cheaper, but still gives a good grind. But the main thing is turning this every day is kind of a pain. So I mean, I've already measured the coffee off. So basically you turn this to grind the coffee. Now what I was thinking is, what if I take this off and then go out and buy one of these, basically a hex nut, and put it on instead. And it does take a specific hex nut because since it's from Japan, they use metric. Okay, so I got that on, and then you have to get one of these little 1/4-inch extensions because it takes a, what is this, 10mm socket. Put that on there. And then I just have a little handheld drill for this. Put that on there. So that does it in about 20 seconds. But then I thought, well, what if, I don't really like that handle swinging around, so let's just take that off. But then the nut doesn't actually go all the way down because it's like got a notch in the threads there. So I've got this washer, which you can use any washer. I just found like a rubber washer. So let's try that out. There. So now I basically have a grinder. I can just go straight on it. Okay, we're empty, so that's how it works. Pretty cool.